Everything's fine. I just dropped it on my white carpet. Everything's fine. Ugh!
Darcei!
Hey guys! What's up? Latin America. Home to enchiladas, Bad Bunny,
Mommy, be careful.
and the newest makeup trend. Latina makeup is taking over TikTok. Now, normally I do Asian makeup trends. So why am I doing Latina makeup today? I feel like normally I do very cutesy makeup looks like, oh, look at the baby. So today I wanted to do something a little bit more spicy, right? Get out of my comfort zone. Let's do a transformation. It's gonna be fun. Just hold on, I swear to God. Now guys, I know what you're thinking. Darcei, what the heckaroonie is Latina makeup? Because surely Latina makeup can't encompass all of Latin America.
I wasn't sure either, so I had to look it up. So I went to Google and I looked up, what the heckaroonie is Latina makeup? And this is what I found.
Okay, I found this article about the viral Latina makeup, a step-by-step guide to the bombshell look. Let's see what they have to say. Latina makeup is the hot new talk of the town, trending all over social media. Latina makeup channels the inner baddie through the sharp features of the style. It primarily features sharp eyebrows, defined eyes, luscious lips, and highlighted cheekbones. The contoured look gives a sculpt finish. The look is sultry and seductive, reminiscent of a femme fatale style. Ooh, a femme fatale, you say? I don't think I've ever been one of those before. Excited. Ah! So you guys heard that, right? It's all about the eyebrows, the contouring, dramatic eyes, and full lips. Just to make sure, let's look up some images. So when I go on Google Images, this is what I see. Ooh, all of this looks so gorgeous. All of them look so cool. Oh, I love the lashes on this one. Basically, we just gotta be Maddie from Euphoria.
Why does everybody ask me if I'm Latina? Isn't it obvious?
I love that girl. Now, all of the examples of Latina makeup that I've seen so far seem to be very specific to Latinas living in the United States, or people of Latin descent living in the United States, and not Latin America as a whole. Of course, since Latin America is so big, there can't be just one makeup style. So I think this is really specific to the United States. I have all the makeup that I need right in front of me, so let's get started. So we're gonna start with the MAC Studio Fix Plus Foundation. This is in the shade NC50. I'm gonna apply kind of a lot because I really want a thick layer of foundation. Oh yeah, that's a great color. Ooh, this goes on really, really nicely. But I'm putting on a pretty thick layer. This might be too much, guys. I might have messed up already. Don't worry about it, it's fine. Everything's fine. Where is my mirror? I'm putting on makeup without a mirror. Am I okay? Evidently not. The goal of this makeup look is to look sexy and sultry. A little spicy. Guys, I can't even eat spicy food. I'm not built for this. Now, really, you only have to do this next step if you have any discoloration on your face, which I do. So I'm gonna take some color corrector and I'm going to fix my dark circles. So I'm just gonna start blending this. And I'm gonna take any extra and put it around my mustache. And a little bit on the top of the eyelid too. Anywhere where I have like dark discoloration. Can you guys see the difference? Or am I tripping? Yeah, I see a difference. Get that around there. I want this look to be flawless. Okay, not flawless, but flawless. What's the difference? A slight accent. What accent is that? New Jersey? New Jersey? Why can't I say it now? Flawless. Now hold on.
Wait a minute, hold on.
Doesn't matter if you can still see some of the orange. We're about to cover it up with concealer. I'm gonna use 2 concealer shades. 2, maybe 3? No. So I'm gonna take the concealer that I use every single day, which is this one from Say in number 17. We're gonna go in with a concealer that's even lighter in order to highlight. And then I'm gonna go in with a light concealer. So I'm gonna take the Say concealer again, and we're gonna just slap this on. And I'm gonna leave it on my face for a while to set. Everything's fine. I just dropped it on my white carpet. Everything's fine. Ugh. Anyways, maybe a little bit on the mustache. Do I dare? I did. And while this is sitting, I'm gonna do my brows. Now, as we said, the brows are essential. So we're gonna need something heavy duty for this one. I'm pulling out the Anastasia Dip Brow. Yeah, that's right. You didn't think I had this in my arsenal, did ya? Oh snap, look at her. Barely even used. Wow. Barely even used, but she's coming now to save your brow. That's not gonna work. Hello, I wanted focus. I need you guys to see this. Why is it like that? Why is she built like that? Okay, that's way better. We gotta make these pretty sharp. Oh, I think that's good. Is that sharp enough? Are these baddie brows? I have been working very hard to make my eyebrows as straight as possible. They used to have a very big arch just naturally. My eyebrows kind of like a half circle. It's very disturbing. But like you want really, really thick, almost blocky eyebrows. Like we're going straight to the block. Jenny from the block.
Running up and down the block. You crazy little girl.
I'm gonna try to give myself a little bit more of an arch. Oh, look at that difference. Bam. Girl, don't tell me I can't do makeup. Oh, yeah. It's looking good. Sweet. Oh my God, the way I just gave myself new brows is crazy. How am I doing that?
Peter, how are you doing that?
I don't know, Lois. I'm scared.
I think I like the eyebrows. We're gonna keep these. Maybe we'll add some more later. You never know. These makeup tutorials are always a surprise. Next, I'm gonna start blending my concealer. Should I just use a beauty blender? Maybe. Everything about this makeup look is gonna be extremely dramatic. Gimme the drama. Now we're gonna go in with some bronzer. I'm gonna take a liquid bronzer. I'm gonna take this one from She Glam. This is in the color Hickory. And I'm gonna just dot this all over. Ooh, yes, that's good. Ooh, yes, good. Okay, next is a fun part, one of my favorite parts. We're gonna put on some powder. For this look, I'm gonna be using a powder that I've never used before. Why am I choosing today to experiment? Let's use the Huda Beauty powder in the shade Banana. The reason why I want to use this powder is because A, I heard it's really good, and B, it's kind of light. It looks like it's gonna be too light for me. Like, what do you guys think? Doesn't that look like it's gonna be too light for me? That's fine. Guys, I was not expecting it to... It kind of smells like perfume. Why does it smell like that? We're gonna let this sit and absorb every oil that I have on my face. Now, the eyes for this look, it's not really like, it looks like maybe there's eyeshadow, but it's probably bronzer, if you think about it. I'm just pulling out my favorite powder bronzer. It's the powder bronzer from Charlotte Tilbury. And this is the darkest shade, unfortunately. I'm looking at you, Charlotte. Yeah. And then like sweep it out. Almost like a little cat eye. Like a little, I feel like I need to create some contrast. Maybe I'm gonna mix like these two shades together and kind of blend them together. Cause I have dark eyelids, so it's kind of like not showing up the way that I want it to. See how that created like just a tiny bit of contrast compared to this one? That's kind of what I was going for more. For eyeliner, I'm gonna be using my Clio eyeliner. This is their Kill Black eyeliner. Super sharp point. And we're gonna be doing a cat eye. This is crucial, okay? Anything with like a point, with like a crucial. I'm just gonna try to go with my eye shape. Let's see. What do you guys think of that? Oh, listen, eyeliner is really hard. I like to see you do it, girl. This is the hardest thing I've ever done. Oh my God. These are not even at all. Hold on. Is that it? Did I get it? That's about as good as it's gonna get, babe. We're gonna put on lashes anyway, it's fine. The lashes that we're using today are the Miami lashes from Lily Lashes. Like normally I wear lashes that are kind of like this, but I feel like these aren't enough. I need something bolder, but maybe I can cut them more. Bro, I look like I'm gonna fly away. Let me try putting these on. Like that's what it looks like. That's a lot. I also have these lashes from Kiss, and I know these look huge because they are, but I'm gonna try cutting them. I still want it to look big and fluffy, but just not so large. What do you guys think about that? I think that's a lot better. Okay, whew. We'll go with this one. Snip off the other side.
Oh, bitch, your eyelash bug.
Oh yeah, these are some big lashes, you guys. I'm also gonna put some pencil liner just to make the eye a little bit more sultry, you know? See how that's making my eye look more seductive? Am I seducing you with my eyes right now? I don't want to do too much though, because I don't want to give myself like a black eye. We're not trying to do an emo look today. There's a very fine line between sexy and emo. Don't cross it. This powder has been on my face for so long. So let's start blending this out. Ooh, I love that this powder did not dry out my face. This just feels nice and smooth. Ooh. Next, I'm gonna go in with blush. I'm gonna take just a little bit of blush. This is the Kosas blush in the color Adrenaline. And you guys know me, normally I'm the queen of blush, okay? Normally I put on so much blush, you guys, but for this, just a little dusting. And I'm trying to get it right up to my eye. I'm going to take my bronzer again and just go over all the places that I had the liquid bronzer. So we're just reiterating, get over there. Now for the fun part, we're doing lips. So I'm gonna take my MAC Chestnut liner. The lips are a focal point for this makeup look, okay? They gotta be big, they gotta be juicy, they gotta be defined. I'm gonna take my lip pencil and I'm going to overline my lips. And let's fill in the inner corners right here. And then we're gonna go in with like a nude, cool tone kind of lip, I think. I'm gonna try using Cool Teddy from MAC. So it's kind of like a cool toned pink. I've never used this before, so I have no idea what it's gonna look like on me. Ooh, you guys, that's something fierce. And I'm gonna add a more peachy lip in the middle. This is also from MAC. This is the color Habit. It's like their liquid lipstick. Really cute. I'm also taking the Charlotte Tilbury finishing powder and I'm just going over anything else, especially under my eyes, just to smooth it out. You wanna be a baddie? You wanna be a hottie? You better work, bitch. You better work, bitch. Time for highlighter. Now, I'm not sure which highlighter to use, honestly, because I never use highlighter anymore. Do you guys use highlighter? I'm thinking I'm probably gonna use one from Fenty Beauty. Maybe this one. This is the color Mo Honey. Whenever I do highlighter, I always put it on my nose like this. Oh my God, that's so cute. It gives you like a little button nose. And then I just do the bridge. Look at that. Oh, Fenty has such great highlighters. It almost reminds me of like the 2016 era, you know? But we do want it to be like a little bit exaggerated, right? This is not a natural look that we're going for today. And then I also want to put some in my inner corner. This is like personal preference, but I like putting a little bit of highlighter in there. Really contour the nose, contour, contour. I even contour under my lip. Makes your lips look bigger. Snap, we're looking good. Put on some Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. It's a new bottle. I gotta make sure it works. Charlotte, are you there? I don't think Charlotte's home. I'll just use a mini one. Yeah, you know I'm always strapped. There we go. Woo, sick. Be right back. Okay, guys, what do you think? Is it giving Latina? Latina. I threw in the hoops. I've had these things for like 10 years. Old rusty, old trusty hoops. I love it. She's sultry. She's sexy. She's spicy. My God. I should do this every day, you guys. Why don't I do this every day? I could be a femme fatale. I could be literally the hottest person alive if I just did my makeup like this every day. So why don't I? Huh? Riddle me this. What have I been doing? I'm hot now. So you're just gonna have to treat me like I'm hot. Because I am. No more cute baby Darcy. This is what we're giving all 2025. Hot gal. I suppose I'll sultry like this. You gotta squint your eyes a little and pout. Do I look sexy? Yeah. I feel Latin America flowing through my veins right now. Oh my God. I'm gonna have burritos for dinner tonight. It just feels right. Let me know how you think I did in the comments below, guys. Did I get Latina makeup right? If not, what could I improve on? I think I did pretty good though. Comment down below what makeup style you guys think I should do next, because I love doing Black Girl Tries videos and trying different styles of makeup. So let's keep the ball rolling. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I love ya so much.